Are you struggling with those nasty imperfections on your skin? Don't worry, you are not alone. Thankfully, there are a few natural remedies to help you get rid of this fast. Before we dive into the remedies, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel if you like natural remedies. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While it is not a serious medical condition, it can be frustrating and embarrassing. Many people want to get rid of acne overnight, but over-the-counter acne treatments can be expensive and harsh on the skin. In this video, we will discuss some effective home remedies that can help to get rid of acne overnight. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce the size and redness of acne overnight. Simply dab a small amount of tea tree oil onto the affected area using a cotton swab and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Number 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, making it an effective remedy for acne. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel onto the affected area before going to bed and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Number 3. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey and cinnamon have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the size and redness of acne overnight. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and apply the mixture onto the affected area before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Number 4. Ice. Ice can help to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne. Wrap a few ice cubes in a clean towel and apply it onto the affected area for a few minutes before going to bed. This will help to reduce swelling and redness and may also help to relieve pain and discomfort associated with acne. Number 5. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has antibacterial and astringent properties that can help to reduce the size and redness of acne overnight. Simply apply a small amount of lemon juice onto the affected area using a cotton swab before going to bed and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and astringent properties that can help to reduce the size and redness of acne overnight. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and apply the mixture onto the affected area using a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is a natural antioxidant that can help to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. Dip a cotton ball into the tea and apply it onto the affected area before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. In conclusion, there are many effective home remedies that can help to get rid of acne overnight. Tea tree oil, aloe vera, honey and cinnamon mask, ice, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and green tea are all natural remedies that can help to reduce the size and redness of acne. It is important to note that everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have persistent acne, it is important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the best treatment options for you. Thank you for watching our video. Drop us a like and share this with someone you love. If you have given these remedies have been successful for you, do let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful natural remedies, and feel free to check out our other videos.